To make a YouTube community post, start in the channel dashboard from your YouTube studio, come up to the top right to the Create button, click on Create Post, and it'll bring you to this view. And it's basically like writing a tweet or a status update on Facebook or anything like that. You can just type in whatever you want here. You can also add an image so that it'll catch people's attention a little bit more. You can add a poll. You can add a text poll where it's like asking a question, surveying your audience. You can do a quiz where there's a right or wrong answer. You can do a video. So this could be when you click on video, it looks through your existing video library. You could pick one, say insert, and then you could say new CapCut tutorial video has dropped. Something like that. And then you hit post. You can also schedule these with this little arrow right here. You can say schedule post and then set a date and time that you want this video to go live. You can also set a visibility for it. You can say public, only channel members, or only channel members of a certain tier. So channel members are paying members of your channel. And that's it. Once you're ready, you hit schedule, or you can hit cancel and start over.